everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to dive into the fascinating world of thermodynamics. Now I know this topic can seem a bit intimidating, but don't worry, I have got you covered with my decades of experience in this field. I'm here to break it down and make it easy to understand. So what is thermodynamics? Well, it's a study of energy and how it moves and transfers within systems. It helps us understand how heat and work are related to each other. Thermodynamics is all about understanding the laws that govern energy and how it behaves. First, let's talk about the three main laws of thermodynamics. The first law states that energy cannot create or destroy, only transfer or transform from one form to another. This is known as the law of conservation of energy. The second law tells us that energy naturally flows from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. It's like when you pour hot coffee into a cold cup, then heat will naturally transfer from the hot coffee to the cold cup until they reach equilibrium. Finally, the third law focuses on temperature. It states that as we approach absolute zero, which is minus 273.1 degrees Celsius or minus 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit, the entropy or a disorder you can say of a system approaches a minimum value. Now let's talk about some important concept in thermodynamics. One key concept is heat transfer, which occurs through three methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. Okay, radiation through electromagnetic waves. And another main concept is entropy. Entropy, you know what is entropy? It measures the disorder of randomness or of a system. The second law tells us that entropy tends to increase in isolated system over time. Lastly, we have thermodynamic cycle, which are processes that involves a series of steps that return a system back to its initial state. Example include the Carnot cycle and Rankine cycle. So there you have it, a precise and comprehensive explanation of thermodynamics. I hope this video helped you to understand basic of the fascinating field. If you have any questions or want me to cover more topics, let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science related content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you.